All right, class, now that we've finished our Google form, we have all the questions and options that we want in there. We're going to learn a little bit about customization or changing settings. The first option we see up here in this tool menu is the color palette. If you click on that, you can change the colors, you can add an image. So let's go ahead and here do a Sarita School Blue, some kind of royal blue. We have the preview button, so you can take a look at what your live form would look like. So this is what people who are filling out the form would see, and this is the editor version. You also have this gearbox here with settings, and you can require it to collect email addresses. You can limit people to one response. You can allow them to change answers after submitting or see a summary of all the answers after submitting. On presentation, you can show them a progress bar so they know how far they've progressed through the survey. You can change the question order each time, or you can show a link to submit another response. And then here you can add a little thank you message. So when they're done and they click send or submit, you have something here that says thank you for completing my survey. We will learn a little bit more about this in the future. So we're going to save and come out of that. Then you have send here. These are different send options. So when we get ready to invite people to fill out our form, we are going to send it by email or send them a link. Or you can even embed it in your website, which is a nice little tool there, or post it to one of your social media accounts. Right now we're going to cancel on that. To share this with your teacher, what we're going to do is you're going to click on More, and then come down. You'll see different options here. A pre-filled link would be if you want answers to already appear in the spaces, or where the answers would be entered. You can pre-fill it here. You can print it. We're going to add collaborators. So click on Add Collaborators. And you're going to add it with the appropriate lesson email. So whatever email your teacher has designated for. So for this one, I think it's lesson 22, whatever your teacher email happens to be that he wants you to share it with, or he or she wants you to share it with. Enter that in. You're going to hit send. And now that is sent or shared with your teacher so they can access it and give you a grade or help you with anything they might help with. Click on Done, and those are how to change settings and share it with your teacher.